You do your inline citation and your works cited citation for videos and infographics. We're going to start with just the videos, but the infographics will work very much the same. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your citation tool, click Add Citation to Source, and then you're going to look. And we're not going to choose book, we're going to do website. Basically, it's a website. We'll now put the author's name, just as they ask. Then we are going to see if there are any other contributors in there. This TEDx Bingham University isn't really a contributor. That's who Sarah Dudas works for, but that's fine. We don't have to put that. Now we will just type in the title of the video. And then I want you, when you're all done, to type in video when you're done. Okay? And then the website title is youtube.com. So just to go back, you make sure you put the title of the video, then the word video after it. youtube.com. The publisher is TEDx Talks, right down here. So that's how you do that. They're the ones who upload it. And then the URL, we just copy and paste the URL from up here into here. The published day, if we look over here, is the 8th of May, so 8, and then May is the 5th month, and the year is 2018. The day, let's say we're doing it on the 5th day of February in 2021, and the short title, we don't even need to put in there, so we can just put Add Citation Source, and there it is. And so then when you're trying to type in here, whenever you want to cite it, you just click Cite, and it comes out, just like that. And then when you want to insert the bibliography, it's going to look like this. Sarah Dudas, just like that. All right, so that's how that one's done. And the infographic is largely done the same way, except instead of putting the word video after the title of the infographic, you'll put infographic. And that's how that's done.